Hi students, welcome to new video. So this is the puzzle number 41. As we can see, we have seen in the last video, that is puzzle number 40. I have given this as a task for you guys and nobody has answered till now. Okay, let us solve this puzzle. So before solving, I request you to please watch this video till the end, because at the end I will give you one task for you guys. Okay, so let us solve this puzzle. As you can clearly observe here, it is given that the series is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and there is a question mark and then 49. So if you observe clearly, the logic here it is 1 is a perfect square, 4 is also a perfect square, 9 is also a perfect square. So 1 is because of 1 square, 4 is because of 2 square, right? So 9 is again, that is 3 square, 16 is 4 square, 25 is 5 square. So therefore the question mark will be 6 square. So 6 square will be like, one second, I'll erase this one. So 6 square is 36, correct? And the last number is 7 square, that is 49. Therefore the question mark is replaced by 36. So 36 is the correct answer. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I will give you one task for you, one puzzle for you to solve, that we will solve in the 42nd puzzle. Okay, puzzle number 42. I'll do it in the next video, but I'll give you a task. Before giving the task, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any video from our channel, because we will be uploading every day one video on the mathematical puzzles. Okay, let us see what is that puzzle. So I am going to give you a puzzle. So the puzzle for today for you guys to solve is, this is the puzzle. So the series is 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16, and there is a question mark. So you have to find what is the value in the place of question mark. Please, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to the channel for daily videos. Thanks for watching.